Today, I'll be demonstrating how to use the Roger On transmitter as shown here. Wear the Roger On using the lanyard. To attach the lanyard, hold the Roger On so that the convex side is facing up. Depress the clip and slide the lanyard into place. Ensure that the black tab is centered so that when you use it to pull up the transmitter, it pulls up evenly. Slide it until you hit the bead, and that ensures that the transmitter is in the correct position. To turn on the transmitter, slide the on-off button on the side. The student's hearing aids or cochlear implants should already be connected to the Roger On transmitter, but if they say that they're not connected to you, then do this. Try and reconnect using the connect button. Make sure the Roger On is very close to the hearing aid or cochlear implant. Press and let go of the connect button on the back, and you'll see a check mark on the display at the front if there is a successful connection. To mute the Roger On, press the round button to wake up the screen, and then press the button again for 3 seconds, and you'll see a line through the microphone icon. To unmute, do the same. Be aware that what you're saying can be transmitted through doors and walls. The Roger On transmitter will transmit up to 25 meters or 80 feet. Please remember to mute or turn off the transmitter when there's no direct instruction. If you're not muting frequently, you may not be doing it enough. Encourage the student to help you to remember to mute and unmute by using a nonverbal signal so that the student doesn't have to interrupt you when you're talking. The Roger On can be used for small group work. Place the Roger on a tabletop. This allows the student to hear their peers in the group. The student might need encouragement to use the Roger On in groups. The Roger On emphasizes your voice and de-emphasizes the other voices in the room. If there's a class discussion, please repeat the questions and comments from the other students. Teachers play an important role in encouraging students to take ownership of their communication access and fostering a classroom culture where technology is a tool for success and it's normalized. Charge the Roger On every night. Turn it off first and plug the charger into the bottom of the transmitter. There's no danger in overcharging the transmitter. Our team is happy to help with any questions that you might have.